Hey there, my friend. Welcome back. Or maybe this is your first time here. Either way, I'm happy you're here. Let me start with a little story. A funny one, a true one, and maybe a story you know very well. Last year, I tried something new. I tried to learn how to swim. Yes, me. A grown adult trying to swim. And I was terrible. Very terrible. I watched videos. I bought goggles. I Googled how to float. You know what happened? Nothing. Nothing changed. Why? Because I did not get in the water. I only watched. I only listened. I didn't do anything. And then it hit me. This is just like English. Many learners read books. They watch videos. They take notes. But they don't speak. Not even for 1 minute a day. And then they say, "Why is my English not improving?" Sound familiar? Yeah, I know. We've all been there. Today's episode will fix that. Today, you start speaking. Yes, today. Right now. Introduction by Henry. Hey, everyone. Henry here, your host, your friend, your English coach for today. Welcome to Confident English Cast. This is the podcast where we learn real English, simple English, and practical English you can use today. Before we start, let me tell you something small. A little story from my life. When I started learning Spanish, I felt shy. Very shy. I was scared to speak. I didn't want to make mistakes. I didn't want people to laugh at me. Sound familiar? But one day, my friend said, "Henry, speak badly. Speak slowly. Speak with mistakes. But speak." And that changed everything. So today, I want to be that friend for you. I'm here to say, speak badly. Speak slowly. Speak with mistakes. But speak. Okay? You can do this. Before we jump in, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps me make more episodes for you. Thank you. Topic. Introduction. Topic. English for beginners. Start speaking. Today. Today, we talk about speaking. Simple speaking. Beginner speaking. Everyday speaking. Why this topic? Because speaking is the hardest skill, but it is also the most important skill. Reading is good. Listening is good. Writing is good. But speaking is freedom. Speaking helps you talk to people. It helps you work. It helps you travel. It helps you make friends. It helps you learn faster. But many learners wait and wait and wait. They think, I need more vocabulary. I need perfect grammar. I need confidence. No, my friend, you need practice, small practice, daily practice. That's what we learned today. How to speak, how to start today, and how to speak even if you are scared. Main idea: clear and simple. Here is the main idea. You learn speaking by speaking, not by thinking, not by waiting, not by reading only. Speaking is a muscle. You must use it. You must train it. You must move it. Think about a baby. Babies learn by trying, not by grammar books. Think about a new driver. Drivers learn by driving, not by watching people drive. Speaking is the same. You learn by doing. So today, I will give you 5 simple steps. Easy steps. Practical steps. Beginner-friendly steps. You can start them today, even now, even while listening. Ready? Let's go. Tip 1. Speak out loud for 1 minute. Yes, only 1 minute. You don't need an hour. You don't need a long lesson. Just 1 minute. Why 1 minute? Because 1 minute is easy. You can do it anywhere. You can do it anytime. You can't say, "I'm too busy." What do you say? Anything. Talk about your day. Talk about your breakfast. Talk about your plans. Talk about the weather. Talk about your cat. Example: I woke up. I made tea. I went to work. I felt tired. But it was a good day. Simple. Short. Easy. Okay. 1 minute today. Tip 2. Use I statements. When you learn English, use the word I often. Why? Because it is personal. And personal is easier. Examples: I like tea. I go to work. I am happy. I am learning English. I want to improve. Short, clear, true. This builds confidence. This builds fluency. This builds rhythm. Try it now. I can speak English. Say it out loud, right now. Yes? Good. You're doing great. Tip 3. Use daily routine vocabulary. Daily routine words are simple. You use them every day. They are easy to remember. They are easy to say. Words like wake up, eat, drink, go, come, work, study, sleep, watch, listen, read, cook, clean. Use these words to make simple sentences. I wake up early. I drink water. I go to school. I watch videos. I read books. Simple English is good English. Clear English is strong English, okay? Don't chase big words. Start with small words. Tip 4. Shadow native speakers. What is shadowing? Shadowing means you listen and you repeat. At the same time, like a shadow. Choose a simple video. Choose a simple podcast. Like this one. Listen. Pause. Repeat. Don't worry about perfection. Don't worry about speed. Don't worry about mistakes. Just follow the sound. Example. If I say, I like learning English, you say, I like learning English. Shadowing helps you build rhythm. Shadowing helps you build confidence. Shadowing helps you sound natural. Try it later. Or try it now. Tip 5. Talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself. You already do it. Right? We all do. Now do it in English. At home. In the car. In the shower. In the kitchen. Talk about what you see. Talk about what you feel. Talk about what you want. Example. I am cooking rice. I am cleaning the table. I am watching TV. I am tired today. Talking to yourself helps you think in English. Thinking in English helps you speak faster. Speaking faster helps you feel confident. Okay? Try it today. Progress. Milestones. Now, let me tell you what happens when you follow these tips. After one day, you feel strange, a little shy, a little uncomfortable, but you feel proud because you spoke English today. After 1 week, your mouth moves faster, your brain reacts quicker, you remember more words, you feel less afraid. After 1 month, you build a habit, you build confidence, you build rhythm. You start thinking in English. You start speaking without fear. Isn't that great? And all from simple steps, small steps, daily steps, motivational moment. Let me tell you something important, something honest, something true. You don't need perfect English. You need brave English. You don't need big words. You need clear words. You don't need a perfect accent. You need your voice. Think of English like walking. When you were a baby, you fell again and again. But you got up again and again. This is the same. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are good. Mistakes are part of learning. You don't fail when you make mistakes. You fail when you stop trying. So don't stop. Not today. Not tomorrow. Not this month. Keep going. Step by step. Word by word. Minute by minute. You've got this. Really. You do. Practical, daily life applications. Let's talk about real life. Where can you use this English? everywhere. At work, say small things. Good morning. How are you? I need help. Thank you. At a shop, 1 coffee, please. How much is this? I want this one. With friends, I am learning English. Can we practice? Let's talk. At home, speak while cooking. Speak while cleaning. Speak while walking. Speak while resting. Online, join English groups. Write small comments. Record small voice notes. Small actions create big change. Quick recap. Main tips. Here are the key points. Speak for 1 minute every day. Use I sentences. Use daily routine vocabulary. Shadow native speakers. Talk to yourself in English. Simple steps. Easy steps. Real steps. Warm closing message. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening. Thank you for taking this first step. Remember, you can speak English. You can improve. You can grow. You just need to start. And today, you did. I'm proud of you. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps this podcast reach more learners around the world. Come back tomorrow. Come back next week. I'll be here, ready to help, ready to teach, ready to cheer for you. Take care, my friend. Keep speaking, keep learning, and see you again on Confident English Cast. Goodbye for now. Parao.